Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Marketing Tools Automation. In today's clip, I will be guiding you on how to use software tools to create and manage mass pages without any limits. First, we need to go to the Page Admin section and select Create Page Profile. Here, you can see the setup options available. Simultaneous runs. This setting determines the number of Facebook accounts running at the same time. Number of pages per account. Each account can create 10 to 20 pages. I will set it to create 1 page per day. After 10 days, an account can generate up to 10 pages. Page name. Enter the names for the pages here. Each name should be on a separate line. Category. I will set the category to Entertainment. Description. I will include my contact information in the page description. Contact information. I will add details such as a website, phone number, and contact address. Profile and cover photos. Finally, I will select a folder containing avatar and cover images for these pages. Here I've already prepared the file. The software will randomly select an image to use as the page's avatar. Now, I just need to select the Facebook accounts. The software will automatically use these accounts, including their UID, passwords, and other details, to create the fan pages. Imagine this. If each Facebook account can create 10 to 20 pages, and I have 9 accounts, that means I can generate around 90 to 180 fan pages automatically. Now, I'll start the process, and the software will handle everything. You can watch the automation in action on the screen. If you'd like a live demo, feel free to contact me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp.